Roof tents are amazing bits of kit, but they can take a beating if you're using them week in, week out during every season. So here are my 5 top tips to make your roof tent last as long as possible. As always, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more content from the Caravan and Motorhome Club YouTube channel. Tip number 1, drying your tent is paramount. Obviously, it's not always possible to dry your tent before you put it away to go home. After all, we get this thing called rain in the UK and it seems to happen a lot. So, to stop any mould from forming, try to open your tent back up when you get back home to give it a chance to dry. The sooner you can do this, the better. But don't worry too much if it takes a day or two before you find a time. The important thing is you don't leave it wet for weeks on end, as that's when you may run into problems. Number 2, if you're not using your roof tent for a decent period of time, then I recommend removing your mattress. Again, this will help with getting rid of any condensation that may have formed, meaning there's less chance of mould developing. You can buy anti-condensation mats which go underneath your mattress and do exactly what their name suggests. However, they're not completely effective, so I'd still recommend removing your mattress if you're not going to be using your tent for an extended period of time. Or if you're just moving to a different camp for the day, then lifting your mattress for a couple of minutes to allow it to air will do the job. Tip number 3. Just like any outdoor equipment, roof tents will benefit from being washed. This is especially true if you often camp under trees, as tree sap and other nasties can often end up on your tent. There's loads of decent products available, but I often use FabSeal tent and gear cleaner to remove any contaminants. Just remember to follow the instructions and test your chosen cleaner on a small patch of your roof tent first to make sure there's no adverse effects. If you're out on the road for an extended period of time, then warm water and a cloth is a great option for any particularly grubby marks or stains. Number 4, and this kinda relates to my previous point. If you've just given your roof tent a proper clean, then now's the time to re-waterproof it. Again, there's loads of products available, but something like FabSeal Universal Protector will ensure the water beads off your roof tent and you're kept dry on those wet camps. It's worth bearing in mind that this is often a perfect summer job, as once you've applied a waterproofing agent, it'll need to dry fully before you can pack your tent away. And finally, number 5. If you're a fair weather camper, there's no judgment here. Just remember to remove your roof tent during the winter months and store it somewhere dry if you can. This will help extend the life of your roof tent and make your vehicle more efficient, as there's not a giant roof tent causing loads of drag up top. But don't forget to make sure your tent is fully dry before you pack it away. So, those are my top tips for making your roof tent last longer. Do you have any tips of your own? We'd love to hear about them down in the comments. And last up, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the Caravan and Motorhome Club YouTube channel.